Camp Jasmine's magical anything tree. Let's find out what's inside. It's a mysterious box. What's inside the box? There's something rattling inside this box. What could it be? Let's open it up. Wow! There's lots of different colored bottles inside. Can you count how many there are with me? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors. I wonder what we could use these for. I know! You and I can tie-dye together. Let's go! I'm here with one of my favorite campers, Susie. Hi, Susie.
Hi, Jasmine.
Hi. What colors are you going to choose to make your tie-dye shirt with?
I'll choose pink, purple, and yellow.
Wow, great choices. That means I'm going to choose green, orange, and red.
Look at these silly gloves.
I know, they're so silly. But are you ready to tie-dye?
Yes.
Let's do it. This is so fun. Hey, Susie. Should we see how our shirts turned out?
Yes.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Wow! I love your shirt.
I love yours too.
That's so cool. I see purple, pink, and yellow stripes.
I see turquoise, orange, and red spirals.
I had so much fun making tie-dye shirts with you.
I did too.
Let's do it again sometime soon. See you next time.
Bye.